If you think that all you need is good taste to make over your room, then maybe these math tips will change your mind. Designers have been using this bit of math for a long time to make their rooms beautiful. It's called the rule of odds. And this is how it works. Experts have found that people prefer odd-numbered grouping of things because odd-numbered arrangements balance the way the picture looks. When things are grouped in odd numbers, there will always be one item left over. This becomes the focus. Even number of things, 2 or 4, produces symmetry, which might create a sense of competition because when both sides are the same, the eye has a harder time deciding which to focus on. Odd number of things in a group also creates a sense of movement and flow. Compare this to this. This looks more dynamic because we have a tendency to group even-numbered things in pairs. This separates the image into individual chunks, making it harder for the eye to move freely over the image. So, if you decorate with cushions, the rule of odds works this way. Have a main cushion and 2 others on either side to create harmony while drawing attention to the main object. Instead of simply having 2 chairs, add a table. This trio will create a cozy corner. If you don't have space for 2 chairs, add a wall decoration or a table decoration to create a threesome. In wall decorations, go for 3 or 5 items. This is called a collection. In your choice of shelves, add this. For tabletop decorations, instead of this, do this. Instead of this, go for this. Flowers in a vase, instead of this, try this. The rule of odds usually goes up to 5. 5 works particularly well also because it appears quite a bit in nature, so we are naturally drawn to it. Anything more than 5, the mind gets confused and can't tell if there are odd or even number of things. It just looks like one big mess. A natural part of the rule of odds is the rule of threes, because 3 seems to be the easiest number to work with. In design terms, the rule of threes extends not just to the number of items, but the type of items as well. You can have 3 types of patterns. How about 3 types of textures? 3 types of shapes? 3 types of furniture? 3 sizes? 3 heights? This brings us to the rule of thirds. Like the golden ratio, the rule of thirds is a way to make sure that proportions are easy to look at. It is especially helpful when we want to arrange several decorations on the wall. Imagine that your wall is broken up into 3 portions like this, and again into 3 portions like this. What you have now is a grid with 9 parts. Where the lines cut one another is where the points of focus are. The eye naturally looks at these spaces. Since we generally read from the left to right, people tend to scan the space like this. With this in mind, you can arrange your wall decorations. Put your best pieces so that they are centered on the points where the lines meet. Arrange them in order or importance, following the natural way the eye moves over the space. This way, you can help people focus on things that you want, and they will think the space is beautiful because it flows in the way they think is natural.